Welcome to your friend of me Samsung Galaxy M53, and I'll show you how to enable or disable the Google feeds or just the Samsung free on that device. So now, as you can see, I have activated the Google feed here, and if you want to turn off this feature, you should hold for a while your device screen, or for example, if you have the Samsung free, so you should just click here once on the switcher to turn it off, and after that you can see that the Google Discover is turned off. If you want to go back again and activate it just by the same way, slide at you to fingers at the center or hold your device screen, go here and click once on the switcher, and now I can see that this feature is activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.